This is the room I've barely mentioned, even less than the attic. It's not because I've forgotten about it. It's actually been on the back of my mind. I've often thought about it because it's the only room I would consider renting out. It's the dining room, where we ate all our meals when I lived here. So this is the back room. Every Chinese house has a back room. The front room is like the living room for entertaining. The back room is where the family gathers to eat their meals. And in the past, when my grandmother and mother were living here, the kitchen was there. So I remember them cooking in the wood-burning stove. And that was later moved out to the yard, so that's good. Now we have more space in the dining room. It wasn't until I called an elder cousin's wife that I was reminded it's also where the kitchen used to be. My cousins who moved in after we immigrated to the US later built a kitchen in the backyard. Now, my vision for the dining room is that it won't be just a dining room. Because I won't be living here all the time. I don't have a big family anymore. My kids are going to college. I would like this room to be like a room where I could show videos. I could rent it out to maybe teachers, like with a small number of students who teach, and they can teach them music or art. My dad loves painting. He learned to paint after retiring. He was very good at it. So it could be like a little art studio, and there'll be ceiling to floor sliding door, so there'll be a lot of light, and we'll have lots of plants outside, so there'll be inspiration for drawing nature or flowers or whatever, Chinese paintings. We could even leave the walls blank and just hang some of the paintings on the wall. So now that window, again, we cannot open it. That used to be links to the neighbor's house, but now we just leave it closed. So anyway, I'm thinking this could be very nice for just renting out for temporary use. I don't want to rent upstairs. I want to be able to come back home and live in my house. So that's my vision for this. Now it looks a little bit awkward. There is a staircase going up to the balcony, but I can't really do much about that. I don't know what to do. Maybe you guys have some ideas. What do I do? And as I don't claim to be an expert at all in renovation. This is totally new to me. So I would love to hear your ideas. What can I do here to make it look better, but also not take away space from this already kind of small room? As you can see, the dining room is very dark. And just like the downstairs bedroom, there's a staircase running above it, making the room awkward looking. I plan to rent out this room because my family and I won't be living here daily and permanently. We need someone to use the home and help us open the doors, windows, and air out the space to avoid a reinfestation of termites. But I don't want the room to become a cafe, restaurant, or other business that would allow lots of strangers coming into our house. I have an idea, but I don't know if it will work. I would like to rent this room to a calligraphy or Chinese painting teacher. He or she can use the space to teach a small number of students. It seems the most natural thing to do because my father loved to paint. He had to quit school after 5th grade to help my grandfather raise and sell pigs to support the family. He would get up early in the morning with my grandfather and take the heavy loads of pigs to the markets to sell them. But he had a thirst for knowledge. As a teenager and adult, he tried to continue his education by learning on his own. He also learned from an educated friend and colleague whom he invited to live in the house before he got married. After immigrating to the US, he was always poring over newspapers before going to work at Chinese restaurants. After retiring, he finally had time to pursue his long-hidden desire to learn to paint. He painted mostly shrimps. Here are a few of his masterpieces. On his only trip to Beijing, he bought paintings as souvenirs. I've not wasted them. They decorate one of the walls in my home in Hong Kong. My father would approve of my plan to turn the dining room into an art classroom. But to make it nice, I had to brighten it. I asked Sifu to make a bigger doorway for me, for a sliding glass door. 但係我係開一個通道去洗手間喎，我攞啲窗會好麻煩？洗手間都要拉來拉去咁樣。係啊，咁你嘅洗手間你自己手間拉一拉，唔入邊嘅窗係你開唔到。但有個好處就係落啲窗佢梗係有紗窗㗎，咁我就成日都圍開住咯。咁我又嗰啲放反正嗰種門仲加麻煩，因為嗰種門打開之後就冇紗窗啦。落啲窗好啲係咪？即係聲會快啲啲窗咁咯。咁冇啦，呢度通去書房冇啦。因為我需要嗰個書房嗰度擺個洗衣機啊，或者擺個雪櫃。咁就係咁樣出去得嘅，就係咁樣行出去。行出去就知啦，咁就我哋呢度書房。I had initially wanted a wood frame door to go with the wood in the rest of the house. But after looking into the cost and durability, it made more sense to get an aluminum frame door. I had asked about vinyl door frames, which are very popular in the US, but was told it's just not the material used in Zhongshan. Window and door shops don't even sell it. Instead of sliding glass doors, I opted for a door with 2 glass panels. That would give me a bigger door opening. The idea is to allow the art students to see the trees and flowers I will plant in the yard. But the staircase for going to the balcony is still an eyesore. I'm thinking I might hide it with a couple of wooden screens and use the space behind the screens to store art supplies. But where do I put the dining table? I wouldn't want to eat out in the living room, although that would be more refined. And although I plan to have a bamboo table and chairs in the backyard, I can't eat every meal out there, especially on rainy days. So the dining table will have to also serve as a student's work table. If you have any suggestions on how to decorate this space, please let me know. And if you like this episode, please tap the like and subscribe icons and share this video. I would love to hear what you think of my plan for the dining room/art classroom. Have a great weekend. See you next week.